Craving a snack? Discover these new trending snack ideas. Impress your family and friends with this delectable and healthy yummiest loaded with lot of nutrients for all. With no sugar added, no flour and no baking needed. Make this easy and quick treats for your whole family. They're going to definitely love it. Come join with me in making these yummy treats. I'm using the safari dates which have taken 12 numbers. I'm going to remove the seeds. Whichever type of dates you prefer, you can use that. I'm adding hot water to soak the dates for 15 minutes so that the dates will get softened. Strain the water. On a paper towel or a clean dry cloth, remove the moisture from the dates. I have taken 1 cup of rolled oats, which is gluten-free. You can also make this with instant oats if you don't have a rolled oats. I'm using the food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can grind it in a mixture grinder. Pulse it for a few seconds in a mixer grinder as it should be grinded coarsely, not the powdery consistency. And now let's add the soaked dates. Blend the dates for a few seconds. Likewise, when you use the mixer grinder, pulse each ingredient in the mixer jar for a few seconds. You can see the dates and the oats are really combined well. You can transfer this to the bowl. I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of honey, so according to your taste, you can add up. I haven't used any type of sugars here, as the dates and the honey itself is naturally sweetened, and also it contains a lot of health benefits as dates is rich in iron and honey is good for the immunity. And now goes in all the mixed dry fruits like raisins, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, roasted peanuts, almonds and sesame seeds. Whichever nuts is available and whichever nuts you prefer, you can add it to these dates and oats. You can make this healthy snack. As we know that these nuts are very much rich in antioxidants, proteins and a lot more. And also it has a good source of healthy fats. So combine everything together. Using a good quality of dark chocolate, which is of 70% cocoa, roughly chop it. Melt the dark chocolate with adding 1 tablespoon of butter and half a cup of milk in a bowl under the boiling water. Add milk little by little to make chocolate sauce. Keep mixing it. It took me only few minutes to make this sauce. Right consistency. Now the chocolate sauce is ready. This is a silicone square shaped mold I have greased with butter. When the chocolate sauce is warm, we can start filling it with the dry fruits oats mixture. And now I'm filling the oats dry fruits mixture half the level. Gently press on all sides. Likewise, fill the other compartments also. Now fill it up with the chocolate sauce on top of it and gently tap it. Now for the toppings, you can garnish with any type of seeds or nuts, almonds like that. Freeze it for 3 to 5 hours. After taking out from the freezer, just rest for 5 minutes and then demold it. Gently remove it from the mold. Dessert snack tasted so good and it was so yummy. And I really loved it. And if you don't prefer with the chocolate sauce, you can just make these rounds like these dry fruits laddu. Give it to your kids and it's so healthy. Try this and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you then in the next video. Bye bye.